Hi. Um, so now we are going to do Leo ascendant and Leo moon signs reading. अभी तक हमने Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer कर लिया है. Okay, so now it's Leo's turn. How is July 2025 going to be for our dear Leos? This is the archetype card which shows कि आप कौन से personality में रहने वाले हैं, कौन सी energy में रहने वाले हैं. Let's see. The father, Leos. So the father, I would say, would be someone who is in a place of authority. Doesn't necessarily mean कि आप अपने father के साथ अपने ties अच्छे करेंगे. हो सकता है कि वो भी हो जाए. कि father का कुछ story हो जाए आपकी life में in the month of July, but otherwise you would be in the energy of the father, which is more masculine energy. The fathers क्या होते हैं, वो protective होते हैं, right? He is the one who brings the food to the table. He's the one that brings the money to the table. He's the one who makes sure that everything is running, everything is organized. More of the outside, more of the socializing aspect of life. तो बहुत ही प्रोटेक्टिव मूड में होंगे आप दूसरों को लेके एंड काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनालिटी रहेगी आपकी, जो वैसे भी रहती ही है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ, लियो. Your health, wealth, profession, and your relationships. How's it going to be? Health, wealth, profession, relationships. Okay. Health-wise, we have the Hangman. Because you are also a fire sign, just like Aries ascendant are, then आप भी अपने health पे काफ़ी ध्यान देते हैं. You do tend to take care of your health, but you also tend to gain wealth, because if we look at Leo, तो फिर Leo is the king. And राजा जो होता है उसको बहुत सारी nourishment मिलती है, बहुत सारा खाना मिलता है, so he tends to gobble and have everything. जिसकी वजह से sort of the tummy issue is there, right? Like the tummy gets a bit round. But because it's still a fire element, there is some action and there is some activity, right? Because आपको अपने आप को present करना होता है दुनिया को. So maybe like dieting would be more of your thing instead of exercise. In the month of July, I see you kind of giving up on your health. You're going to say I don't want to anymore. मैं बहुत कर चुका हूँ, बहुत कर चुकी हूँ. It doesn't mean कि अभी तक आपने नहीं करा. It just means कि July you're going to take a break. You don't want to. You'll say I've done enough. ठीक है, मुझे रिजल्ट मिला है नहीं मिला, आई डोंट केयर, आई हैव डन इनफ. बट डेफिनेटली आप अपने मेंटल हेल्थ पे ज़रूर काम करेंगे. मेंटल हेल्थ, दैट बी नाइस थिंग. आप एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से चीज़ों को देखेंगे. ठीक, दिस इज़ अ टाइम टू रिफ्लेक्ट कि अभी तक जो भी मेरे डिसीजंस लिए हैं मैंने अपने मेंटल, इमोशनल, फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए, स्पेशली मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए, हैज़ इट बीन द राइट थिंग फॉर मी और द रॉन्ग थिंग फॉर मी? इज़ इट एक्चुअली वर्किंग फॉर मी? इज़ इट एक्चुअली वर्थ इट? आपकी वेल्थ को देख के मुझे लग रहा है मे बी नॉट सो मच फोकस ऑन अर्निंग मनी और मनी कमिंग इन, बट लॉट मोर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं आएंगे, बट आई सी मोर ऑफ द फोकस ऑन फाइंडिंग आउट फ्रॉम अदर पीपल वेयर इज़ माई मनी. मेरे पैसे कहाँ हैं, मेरे पैसे कहाँ लगे हैं, मेरे पैसों की इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ होनी, व्हाट इज़ सपोज टू बी डन विद माई मनी. इफ़ यू गिवन मनी टू समवन एल्स, तो मेरे पैसे कहाँ हैं, मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस लौटाओ. Okay, so this is very much like, if you don't give me my money, if you don't give me the things that I deserve, तो मैं आपका गला काट दूँगी. Very sharp, very disciplined, like, okay, very balanced and very mature, and you're not going to be thinking about money from your heart, you're going to be thinking about money from your mind. इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा और जाएंगे अभी. Out of all of the queens in the tarot deck, the Queen of Swords is the most masculine, because इसमें कोई water element नहीं होता है. Then we have your career. Career wise, you are finally going to complete something. You're going to feel like something is completed, something is done. Now it doesn't mean कि अगर आई मीन हम लोगों की लाइफ में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ कंप्लीट होता रहता है. जस्ट बिकॉज फॉर एग्जांपल आपने महीने का 1 लाख कमा लिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अब आपके सारे फाइनेंशियल गोल्स ख़त्म हो गए, कि आप 10 लाख की तरफ नहीं जाओगे. शायद आपका एक माइलस्टोन अचीव हुआ है, where you're saying okay, this much I have done in my career, ये मुझे करना था, ये चैप्टर क्लोज हो गया, आई एम डन विद इट, I feel confident, I feel good with it, and now I can move on and do and start another new thing in my life, okay, or have another new goal in my life. When it comes to your relationship, I'm seeing a lot of anxiety. There's too much anxiety, a lot of sleepless nights. हो सकता है आप अपने किसी previous ex या previous relationships को लेके जो भी लड़ाई झगड़े हुए, I don't know if people ever pay attention, यहाँ पे कुछ fighting का भी situation है. जो भी लड़ाई झगड़े हुए हैं, मे बी you're thinking about that a lot and you're not able to sleep, जिसकी वजह से आपको anxiety हो रही है, and all of these thoughts are going on in your head, and you know it's dark at night and you're feeling alone and you're kind of feeling scared, but you're not able to tell anyone. You're not able to tell anyone. आप अपने सर को अपने हाथों पे लेके ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं. This can also be कि dreams आपको बहुत सारे आ रहे होंगे in the month of July. Many of those dreams, if you remember, they'll be weird, they won't make sense, they'll be related to relationships perhaps. Yes, definitely related to relationships. And otherwise, अगर आपको dreams याद नहीं रहते हैं, you will wake up, you will feel tired. You will feel tired, which might be why you say, I give up on my health, I'm too tired right now, I just surrender. मेरी नींद ही नहीं अच्छी हो रही है, मेरी नींद ही नहीं complete हो रही है, I have too many things to focus on mentally. And this is, you know, like I said before, mentally health पे ध्यान देने का आपका वो time आ गया. You're gonna think I have to look at things from a different perspective. I can't keep looking at things from the same perspective and keep feeling guilty and keep feeling bad. And मुझे तो समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा why I am feeling guilty and why I am feeling bad, but I am. शायद दूसरे इंसान से बात भी नहीं हो रही, but still I am feeling bad. Okay, so इसमें let's try to find out more what's going on related to your finances, and let's go to health as well. Health. Okay, maybe your health plans might be interrupted because of some brief travel or some planning for travel. And शायद वो travel के बाद then you're gonna feel a bit better. So if you can travel, that would be nice. यहाँ पे आपके इसका देख लेते हैं your wealth. Okay. अरे भैया. There's someone that you want to take revenge on when it comes to money. There's someone that you want to take revenge on, and you want to say, no, I have the capability to earn as much as I want, when I want, as I want, and I'm going to do it fairly, and I'm going to win. And I'm going to win. And then I'm going to pay attention and work hard and, you know, have achievements and everything in my life. मुझे achieve करना है. आपके लिए जो finances है in the month of July, it's a matter of achievement. It's a matter of personal pride. It's a matter of people should recognize me for the money that I have. This is the energy that you're carrying. But the main thing is this, right? आप कुछ ज़्यादा ही सेल्फ डिफेंस मोड एंड दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज करने के मोड पे पहुंच जाएंगे. लाइक हु आर यू, आई कैन हैव वट एवर आई वॉन्ट इफ़ आई वॉन्ट इट. पर आप पहले क्यों नहीं मेहनत कर लेते हो? पहले आप अपनी मेहनत कर लो ना. वाई डू यू हैव टू गेट इन टू दिस काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी? ये थोड़ी बिटर सी एनर्जी है. इट्स नॉट नीडेड. लेट्स सी व्हाट यू आर गोना कंप्लीट इन योर प्रोफेशन. ओके. Sorry, I was getting a call. So in your, what do you call this? In your profession, complete तो होगी चीज़. And then when the thing will be completed, the work will be completed, you're just gonna move away from that task. You're gonna say, I'm done. मुझे अब जो अब तक मैं कर रही थी, मुझे उसमें satisfaction नहीं मिल रहा. I'm moving on. And the next thing that you're gonna do, you're not gonna tell anyone about it. Maybe you're just gonna say, I want to move on from this now. I don't want to focus so much on my profession. I want to get into spirituality. और मुझे अपने साइलेंस पे रहना है और मुझे अपने आप से अपनी इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव थॉट्स के हिसाब से देन आई वांट टू मेक माय नेक्स्ट मूव, राइट? बिकॉज ये दोनों कार्ड्स आपके स्पिरिचुअल उसमें एस्पेक्ट पे आ जाते हैं. Apart from that, after you're done with this task, maybe you're gonna think I want to get into something related to education, maybe nursing, perhaps healing or caring for others, or maybe into some intuition field, like a reader. Maybe you would be a reader yourself. Now, this is the main one, relationship, okay? Okay, arguments in the relationship. Arguments in the relationship. Now, this can go two ways. Either you will or have had arguments for the past 3 months or so, or will have for the next 3 months, arguments in your relationship. Uske bawajood bhi you might just go and travel, or you could have such intense arguments in your relationship, related to your past, but you're trying to move on to a peaceful place. अब आपको साथ में नहीं रहना है. You don't want to be with that person. So I mean, अभी तक जितने भी साइंस का मैंने देखा है, it's been really heart centered. But for you, it seems to be more on the mental plane, more on the intellectual plane, which is usually how we perceive our fathers, right? When we look at our mother, we say, oh, emotional hai, caring hai, soft and nurturing hai. But when we look at our father, we say strong and tough and a provider. So that's what you are going to be for your own self. You're going to be providing for your own self. You're going to be saying, no, I want to focus on the monetary aspect. I want to focus on the monetary aspect. बाद में शायद मैं जुलाई में जाके एक डिसीजन लूँ जहाँ पे I might want to do something for the good of others. Action, I'm not going to say that you're going to start taking action in the month of July, but the intention would very strongly be there. Okay. And sometimes when we have these, arguments, we tend to shut down our heart, and then we tend to think a little too practically about things, right? So it's going to be an intellectual month for you. Nothing wrong with that. We all have our own journey. Let's check from the other deck what else is going on with you, huh? Leo Ascendant, Leo Moon, July 2025. It's the King of Coins. And this is showing something interesting to me. What are you doing? Getting into a business partnership? Finally signing a deal with someone? Huh? Maybe you're not going to be thinking so long about what you want to do, Leos. Fire sign to hogi. You always like to get on with the work that you're doing. Okay. It's also possible कि शायद आप अपने partner के साथ ही कर लो if you are in a relationship. Let's see. पुश एंड पुल बहुत ज़्यादा है लियो आपके रिलेशनशिप में ना. पुश एंड पुल बहुत ज़्यादा है. कभी चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती है, इट्स वेरी नाइस, यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ ट्रिप, यू वांट टू डू बिजनेस विद देम. समटाइम्स यू जस्ट वांट टू बी अलोन एंड maybe you want to look at some other options. You want to look at some other options and say, what else is there for me in this life to do? Alright, there's too much of push and pull in you. Everything doesn't have to be go, go, go. You don't have to do go, go, go in relationships. You can calm down a little bit. When it comes to relationships, you can calm down. Conflicts होती है, I understand. हो सकता है कि ज़्यादा टाइम तक हुई, ज़्यादा ही fiery conflict हुआ, but then you are a fire sign. अगर आपकी fiery conflict नहीं होगा तो आपका भी मन कहाँ भरेगा? You need that aggression and passion in your relationships. So chill a bit with that, chill a bit with that. ठीक है, you want to take care of your finances, you want to do that alone, you want to take care of your love relationship alone as well. I get it. Focus more on your mental health and healing, and when we look into our healing, we have to do that alone for some time. July is not the month really to be making really big commitments, generally, for everyone. Let me see what the guidance for you is. Compromise. You need to compromise. Don't argue so much. Don't argue so much. You don't have to prove a point financially. You can compromise. You don't have to prove a point in your relationship. You can compromise a bit. It's a month of compromise. It's not a month of decision making. But then, आप तो राजा हो, आपको कौन बता सकता है कुछ भी. So the next reading that we're going to do, it's going to be for Virgo. Virgo moon, Virgo ascendant. I know someone who was waiting for this reading. Dear Virgo, I hope that this reading resonates with you. Now people are remembering me, huh? Now people are calling me. Let's see. Virgo moon, Virgo rising. And ये वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से है. प्लीज़ डोंट लुक एट वेस्टर्न सन साइंस एंड से ओ माय सन हैज वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी सो एंड सो. नो, दिस इज़ वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी. यू कैन ईजिली गो टू एनी वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी सॉफ्टवेयर, जैसे एस्ट्रोसेज हो गया, कॉस्मिक इनसाइट्स हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया. देयर सो मेनी वेबसाइट्स नाउ. आप अपनी राशि और अपने लग्न दोनों से देख सकते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स योर आर्किटाइप फॉर द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई 2025. The father again. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. For those of you जिन्होंने लियो का नहीं देखा है, dear Virgos, लियो के लिए भी the father आया है. The father आया है. Again, the masculine side is active, the overprotective side is active, the emotional side is not there as much. Okay, this is a time of providing for yourself, providing for others, guiding yourself, right? Let's see कि आपका और चीज़ें कैसे चल रही है. Very surprising. Leos and Virgos going through some similar thing. Is there any transit in Leo and Virgo right now? 5. हाँ, Ketu is in Leo, so it makes sense कि मतलब arguments वगैरह वहाँ पे. But what's going on in Virgo? Let's see. What is your health going to be like? Your wealth? Okay. Your career or profession? And your relationship. Health, wealth, career, profession, and relationship. Health-wise, the month of July is your month. Congratulations. Very, very many congratulations. Okay. The Magician card. It basically means कि जो भी आपको अचीव करना है आपके हेल्थ में, whether it's recovery or reaching a certain milestone, you will be able to do it. You have all the tools at your disposal. आप बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो. At least at bare minimum आप दूसरों को present कर सकते हैं कि my health is good and your health is good. Touch with your health is good. Okay. And now, wealth. So much greed and so much desire. This is a fantastic card for wealth. But this is the card of wealth that says if you chase wealth, some problems might also come up because there is the devil, right? So there is manipulation there. So when it comes to any money deals, any investments, any person coming up and saying to you आपके दिन दुगने दिन चौगने दिन जो भी आपके दिन को चमका देंगे, do not believe them. I cannot believe how many calls I'm getting. I understand I'm getting a call, but do not take that deal. Do not trust that person so much. But if you feel that money is more important than values and morals, then go ahead. It's fine then. Okay, you might be a little too greedy. हो सकता है कि आप already अच्छे खासे पैसे कमा रहे हो, but you still want more. और चाहिए, काफ़ी नहीं लग रहा है. This is just a card of greed. Okay. When it comes to your profession, you have a certain amount of success in the month of July, but unfortunately you're also going to feel super alone. If you're into business development or you have a business of your own and आपने बहुत सारी जगह पे बात कर रखी है, अपने business के बारे में बातें बता रखी है, you might be seeing कि हाँ यहाँ वहाँ से लोग पूछने आ रहे हैं. वो अभी convert 100% नहीं होगा in the month of July, but पूछने ज़रूर आएंगे. People are definitely gonna come to you and ask you, hey, I heard about your business. तो name fame तो definitely आपका बन ही रहा है in the month of July, whether you are in a job, whether you are in a business. And when it comes to relationship, भैया इतना नहीं. A lot of passion is there for sure. Right? If in a relationship you have to get some work done, you'll get the work done. Okay. A lot of excitement and adventure is there, but please take it a little easy on whatever partner you have. It cannot be कि if I do something you can do that thing too. हर इंसान में वो एनर्जी नहीं होती है, शायद आपके अंदर है इस महीने बिकॉज योर हेल्थ इज़ सुपर गुड राइट नाउ. Maybe you have that energy to say कि if I can do something you can do it too, and you seem to be super ambitious in the month of July, right? You're doing really well. Like I think all of these cards are actually really good. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो मतलब कोई trap आपके लिए रख सकता है, but there will still be a gift and then a trap. But you are smart enough to handle it, Virgos. You're smart enough to handle it. And यहाँ पे देखो father का तो image आ ही रहा है, but there's a good father and there's a bad father, right? If this card were alone, I'd say good father, like good protective stand that you're taking. But ये वाला भी आ रहा है, okay? So some negativity and toxicity in your mind, in your behavior that maybe your near and dear ones would experience. Okay, हमें प्यार से चीज़ों को संभालना है, प्यार से लोगों को समझाना है. ऑटोक्रेटिक डिक्टेटरशिप में नहीं जाना है हमें. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स चेक योर. चलो इसमें थोड़ा और ही हम देख लेते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई टू सी सम मोर. व्हाट एल्स इज गोइंग ऑन विद यू? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग विद द मैजिशियन हियर? ओके, वेरी नाइस. आई थिंक यू माइट इवन बी, आई मीन ठीक है, आप अपने सारे काम हेल्थ वाइज अपने आप कर ही सकते, बट आई थिंक यू माइट बी पेइंग समवन मनी, मे बी अ योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर, मे बी अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, so that you can just kind of relax a little bit. Okay, relax a little bit, and let someone else do the work. And if that works for you, that's great, because there's also a little bit of recovery that's also remaining there. Let's see, what's the greed about? What's the greed about wealth wise? All right, wealth wise, maybe you are expecting कि आपको एक promotion मिल जाए, या फिर आपका role expand हो जाए, या फिर आपका relocation कहीं पर हो जाए, and then that would give you more money. But there is just too much confusion and too much chaos and too much of resistance and competition. Maybe there is even an evaluation going on at the workplace when it comes to, आप तो money के हिसाब से सोच रहे हो. You're thinking I don't really care about the designation. I want the money right now. But there might be a little too much you know, जैसे होता है ना ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स में होता है कि मैं अपने आप को बचाने के लिए दूसरे इंसान को गिरा दूँ. सो यू विल बी इन दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके, एंड लेट्स लुक एट योर प्रोफेशन. हाउ इज इट गोइंग? ओके, गुड. ठीक है, इवन दो यू आर गोइंग टू फील अलोन in your success, you're still going to have balance in your life. Mentally, emotionally, you're going to be balanced, and you will also take time to celebrate with other people. So that is actually good news. So this is fantastic. The profession side is fantastic for you. And let's see the relationship. देखो, अब रिलेशनशिप में यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट दिख रहा है. सो दिस कैन इवन बी रिलेटेड टू फैमिली और टू सम रिलेशनशिप जहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉपर्टी डिस्प्यूट है. एंड यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि यू नो दिस इशू इट जस्ट कीप्स कमिंग अप अगेन एंड आई एम जस्ट सो बोर्ड एंड सिक एंड टायर्ड ऑफ इट. मुझे जितना चाहिए, मुझे जो चाहिए, आई वांट अ बिगर परसेंटेज. आई वांट मोर देन यू नो अदर पीपल आर सेइंग दैट आई शुड हैव. I want more than other people are saying that I should have. There can also be a possibility कि एक से ज़्यादा इंसान आपके लाइफ में है. That there is maybe a proposal coming in of another person, and you would just not be interested in it. You would not be interested in it. Okay. Now let's do a deeper reading on another deck for Virgo Ascendant, Virgo Moon. आपके पास भी सरेंडर का कार्ड आ गया है. आपके पास भी सरेंडर का कार्ड आया है, जस्ट लाइक योर जेमिनी काउंटरपार्ट्स. What's happening, Mercury people? You guys are surrendering this month, huh? Maybe you were thinking कि एक और source of income मैं कर लूँ, right? But then you just kind of given up on that. Instead, I think you're just going to be focused more on socializing. meeting your friends, being with your friends. I think that's a much better option for you guys. Usually आप introverted ही रहते हैं. Although you are a Mercury sign, which should be talkative, but no. Yeah, this let अगर आपको anxiety हो रही है ना पैसों के मामले में, तो सोचना बंद कर दो. कभी कभी अच्छी बात होती है, जस्ट टू गिव अप. इंट्यूशन आपका बहुत ही ज़्यादा पिक अप करेगा. There might be a friend that can kind of turn into a relationship. There will be an attractive friend at least. So I am seeing that there is an offer definitely, most definitely coming in maybe towards the end of the month for you. And ये पैसे वैसे वाली चीज़ जो आपके दिमाग में कुछ ज़्यादा ही obsessively चल रही है ना, that might also just go away. It's good to spend time with friends and find out कि हमारे लिए best क्या है, to get that clarity. And this next step, let's see. I think my videos are too long. Usually people make shorter videos. Let's see, again Hangman, Eight of Pentacles, Hermit. You are just going to let the money issue go. Whatever greed you had, you are just going to let it go eventually. Putting so much pressure on yourself in the month of July is not going to help you. It's not going to help you. Okay? I think आप अपनी intuition की सुन ही लेंगे. And you're going to say, why am I working so much? Why am I working so hard? What achievement am I trying to get? Better than that, I can maybe just, do something for my own self, or look, have my inward journey instead. So that's your main thing. I think this father energy you can use in this month to help the people around you, like your friends, जिनसे आप connect करने वाले इस महीने में. People really are calling me. Let's see what's the guidance for you. There is an opportunity coming your way. I think it might be related to that proposal or that offer or that new friendship or someone liking you. That is definitely coming your way. Congratulations, Virgo. Congratulations. अब वो कैसे चलेगा कैसे नहीं हो तो बाद की बात होगी, but you will present yourself as a person who can provide in the relationship. Alright, so it seems to be a good month for you overall. Maybe not money wise, not as you plan to start, but definitely in another way. It's going to be really pleasant. Best of luck.